Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will be talking about types of guidance: educational and vocational. Let us try to understand what is educational guidance and its components. Educational guidance is a comprehensive process that aims to assist individuals in making informed decisions about their educational journey, academic pursuits, and career development. The primary goal is to help individuals identify and achieve their educational and career goals by providing support, information, and resources. Components and focus areas. 1. Academic guidance. Academic guidance focuses on helping individuals navigate their educational paths, including course selection, academic planning, and study strategies. School counselors. These professionals work within educational institutions to provide academic advice, assist with scheduling, and address academic challenges. Teachers and professors. Educators play a crucial role in offering subject-specific guidance and academic mentorship to students. 2. Career exploration and planning. This aspect of educational guidance assists individuals in exploring various career options, understanding their interests and aptitudes, and aligning these with potential career paths. Career advisors. Professionals who guide individuals through career exploration, helping them understand the skills required for different professions and industries. Career assessment tools. Various tools and assessments are used to evaluate an individual's interests, strengths, and preferences to suggest potential career paths. 3. College and university guidance. Educational guidance extends to helping individuals make informed decisions about higher education options, including college and university choices, application processes, and financial considerations. College counselors. These professionals assist students with college selection, applications, and financial aid processes. Admissions officers. Individuals working in educational institutions who evaluate applications and provide guidance on admission requirements. 4. Study skills and time management. Educational guidance addresses the development of effective study habits, time management skills, and organizational strategies to enhance academic performance. Study skills coaches. Professionals who provide guidance on effective study techniques, note-taking, and time management. Learning resource centers. Educational institutions often have resource centers that offer workshops and resources to improve study skills. 5. Educational planning for special needs. Educational guidance extends to individuals with special needs, providing tailored support and resources to ensure their educational success. Special education coordinators. Professionals who collaborate with educators, parents, and students to develop personalized education plans for individuals with special needs. Educational psychologists. Experts who contribute to understanding and addressing the unique learning needs of individuals. Delivery methods of educational guidance. 1. One-on-one counseling. Personalized counseling sessions with educational guidance professionals, addressing individual concerns, goals, and challenges. Benefits. Allows for tailored advice and support based on the specific needs of the individual. 2. Workshops and seminars. Group sessions that cover various educational guidance topics, providing information and resources to a larger audience. Benefits. Enables the dissemination of general information and guidance to multiple individuals simultaneously. 3. Online resources. Web-based platforms, educational websites, and virtual tools that offer information, assessments, and resources for educational guidance. Benefits. Provides accessibility and flexibility, allowing individuals to access guidance resources at their convenience. Let me discuss now, second type of guidance, that is vocational guidance. Vocational guidance, also known as career guidance, is a process designed to help individuals make informed decisions about their careers and vocational paths. It involves assessing personal strengths, interests, and skills to guide individuals towards suitable and fulfilling career choices. Components and focus areas. 1. Skills assessment. Identifying and assessing an individual's skills, talents, and strengths to match them with potential career options. Career counselors. Professionals who conduct skills assessments and provide guidance based on an individual's aptitudes and interests. Online career assessment tools. Various online tools and assessments that help individuals identify their strengths and preferences. 2. Interest exploration. Exploring and understanding an individual's interests and passions to align them with potential career choices. Career advisors, professionals who engage individuals in conversations about their interests, hobbies, and preferences to guide them towards suitable career paths. Interest inventories, tools that assess an individual's preferences and inclinations towards certain types of activities or industries. 3. Occupational research, providing information about different occupations, industries, and career paths to help individuals make informed decisions. Career information centers, resources that offer detailed information about various professions, job market trends, and required qualifications. Career fairs and workshops, events where individuals can interact with professionals from different fields and gain insights into various careers. 4. Educational requirements, assisting individuals in understanding the educational qualifications and requirements for different careers. Educational counselors, professionals who guide individuals on the academic paths and qualifications necessary for specific careers. Industry associations, organizations that provide information on educational requirements within specific industries. 5. Job market trends, keeping individuals informed about current and future job market trends, including demand for specific skills and emerging industries. Labor market analysts, professionals who analyze job market data and trends to provide insights into the demand for different occupations. Government employment agencies, organizations that publish labor market reports and job outlook information. Delivery methods of vocational guidance. 1. Career counseling sessions, one-on-one or group sessions with career counselors to discuss individual goals, interests, and potential career paths. Benefits. Personalized advice and guidance tailored to an individual's unique circumstances and aspirations. 2. Career workshops and seminars, group sessions that cover topics such as resume building, interview skills, and industry insights to a larger audience. Benefits. Dissemination of general career-related information and resources to a broader audience. 3. Internships and job shadowing, hands-on experiences that allow individuals to explore a specific career by working alongside professionals in the field. Benefits. Practical insights into a particular occupation, helping individuals make informed decisions about their career choices. Thank you everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.